In the next part of this study, you will touch and evaluate several textile samples. Please don't touch anything during this instruction period. You will be told when the instructions are over and you should actually begin sampling the products. On the sampling panel are 14 composite samples, composites A through N. In a moment, you'll evaluate the texture of these samples in a random order. The paper composite samples contain varying levels of Grit-Ev, a BPA-free, contact-safe microsubstance. The paper composites also contain varying levels of stenexor, which is also a BPA-free composite ingredient. As you touch each sample, you'll be told the precise levels of Grit-Ev and stenexor that have been applied to the textile. The computer will tell you which samples to touch when. For example, if the computer screen says, "Touch sample B," you should run your fingertips across the sample so that you can experience what the paper composite feels like. You'll have 15 seconds to do this. Next, you'll rate sample B using the same 1 to 9 scale from the previous portion of the study. You'll have 15 seconds to make your rating. After you've rated the sample, you'll be asked to cleanse your tactile palette by running your fingers across the neutralizing fabric. This will help prepare your skin to evaluate a new sample. You'll have 10 seconds to do this. The computer will tell you which samples to touch and rate until you have evaluated all 14. Be sure to pay attention to all aspects of the samples: the texture, the color, even the sound it makes when you run your fingers across it. Allow yourself to really be absorbed in the experience. Try to get an idea of how much you like or dislike each sample, as well as the amount of Grit-Ev and stenexor in each one. The instructions are now over. You'll start the task once you move on to the next page. So when you're ready, click the gray button below to begin.